Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So today we get to do one of my absolute favorite videos, and that is Ipsy versus Ipsy. So I do get 2 of their glam bags. These are $12 a month and you receive 5 products. They are usually sample, deluxe size sample, and sometimes even full size items. Ipsy does now allow you to choose 1 item in each bag, and that goes for their Glam Bag Plus and their Glam Bag Ultimate. So there are multiple levels of the subscription if you were not aware. But yeah, I like to see, do they go by profile? Because a lot of people wonder, do they really go by your profile? So I use the exact same profile. If I get duplicates, similar products, like I just want to see what they do. So we're going to get in here and we're going to unbag each of these and see. Also, guys, I want to remind you, we do have an active giveaway going on, and that is the Tati palette. I'm giving away a Tati palette, so that link will be down below to that video, so check it out if you have not already. So let's go ahead. We will start with my profile I've had forever, years. This bag right here. So we will open it up and see what I got this month in this bag. Okay. So here is what the bag looks like this month. It is very pretty with the marble and the rose gold and pink. It says Ipsy right there. It's very soft. I do like this. So yes, there is a card. So the theme for January 2020 is Clean Slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you, habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. So there we have it, the theme. And then it goes over the products in our bag. It will tell us full size pricing for the items. So I do like that. So let's just get in here and see. We'll just grab. So the first thing I'm pulling out looks like a full-size product, and this is from Bella Pierre, and this is a lipstick in Envy. Yes, a mineral lipstick in Envy. This is full size, and this is $20. So this right here is already $8 more than the cost of the box. We're always searching for a hydrating lip color come winter, and this nourishing formula is proof that makeup can look beautiful and be healthy for you too. It's a versatile rosy brown shade that's infused with vitamins C and E to get your lips pillowy soft and protect them from damage with every swipe. And based on the box, it does look like this would be a color I would love. So let's take a look. There is the outer packaging. Oh yeah, I'd wear that all day long. Let's see. It's actually very similar to what I had on, so I don't really know if you can tell, but it feels nice. So yay for item number 1. And then we have, oh, okay. This is from Ahava. This is a Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in Sea Kissed. And this is a deluxe sample. The full size is $24. This sea-scented travel-size hand cream is made with Dead Sea minerals, which in addition to locking in moisture are known for easing eczema and psoriasis flare-ups, which can worsen in cold weather. It's packed with ingredients like witch hazel and allantoin. I don't know if I said that correctly. To heal, soften, and soothe dry, rough skin. I love Ahava products. This is a great size to throw in your purse. Has a safety seal, so we'll take that off. So it doesn't have much. It is a very light scent, but it is a very nice scent. And it does go in very nicely. It is very smooth. I do really like that. All right, and then from Celia, I'm not sure. Seed to Skin Natural Grain Polish. This is a deluxe size sample. Full size would have been $34. Just because it's cold outside doesn't mean your skin can't glow. Get rid of dry, dull skin cells with this gentle body scrub. It's made with Amazonian Kubikoi. I never can do that one either. They're challenging me today. Seeds to exfoliate with shea butter to replenish moisture. Plus, the scent is so refreshing. I am going to set this to the side for a future giveaway, so hopefully one of you guys will enjoy it. So there's that. And then we have, and this is actually the item that I chose. This is the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer, and I got C1.55. Soft matte. So let's see. I do like my concealers to be a little bit lighter than my skin tone. So here is outside the packaging. This is obviously full size. This is $9. Dark circles, redness, breakouts, whatever your skin concern, this concealer covers it with ease. This long wearing formula is totally water resistant, transfer resistant, and sweat proof for up to 16 hours. Plus, it's free from harmful ingredients like parabens and skin irritants like synthetic fragrance. That's a lot of claims. All right. So it has like a flat doe foot. I don't smell anything really. So there it is. So it does appear, it is a good match as far as color. And I think I could actually make it to where that works to brighten up the under eye. So yay. I have one more to go, which is, this is from Nomad. This is Intense Eyeshadow in Henna. So it's in this box. So it's actually a very pretty shade. It's got a little shimmer to it. So this says, no time for a winter getaway. Nomad Cosmetics products are inspired by destinations around the world, and this deep matte brown shade is named for henna creations it found in Marrakech. Oh. The finely milled powder is made with moisturizing argan oil and blends easily for crease-proof color. All right, so I don't typically reach for single shadows. I do think this is a very, very beautiful color. So I will put this to the side as well for a future giveaway. So I'm gonna actually put this and the exfoliator back into this bag, which by the way has their new logo on the inside, for a future giveaway. So that is everything that I got in my profile that I've had forever. So let's see what we got in the newer profile that I've only had for a few months. So same bag. Let me get the card for this one. I'm not going to read it because it's exactly the same, but again, it's going to go over the products in this bag. And we'll start with the one that was outside of the actual little Ipsy bag. And I'm actually quite excited by this, because this is a Luxie fan brush. It says it's a medium fan brush, the 560. And it's almost like an iridescent or opalescent handle. And it is very soft. So this will be very good for highlighting. So I'm loving this. I love brushes. So it says Luxie Beauty 560 medium fan flawless brush. If you wear powder highlighter, then you 100% need this brush in your life. The unique fanned out shape is perfect for dusting shimmer on the high points of your face with minimal fallout. And because it's totally vegan and cruelty free, you won't have any guilt about making it a regular in your makeup routine. And that is full size, and that's valued at $18. So that product alone is worth more than what we paid for this bag. So let's move along. And then this is actually the product that I chose for this bag because I love this company. This is from Glow Recipe. This is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. And it says, save time with this 3-in-1 cleanser packed with antioxidant-rich blueberry. This healthy and gentle formula can be used as a makeup remover, daily wash, or clarifying mask. The coolest part, it starts as a totally unique and super satisfying bouncy gel that builds into deep cleaning bubbles. That's interesting. This is obviously a deluxe size sample, and this would be $34 for the full size. So, all right. And then we have a duplicate, the Bella Pierre Cosmetics, the full size lipstick in Envy, again valued at $20. So I will set this to the side for one of you guys for a future giveaway because I already got one. All right, and then we have Urban Juve Provisions Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. Chapped lips, we got you. This plant-based balm hydrates, nourishes, and protects with a combo of beeswax, hemp, and coconut oils. Peppermint oils give your lips a fresh, cooling feel with every swipe, and rest assured it's good for you. Only natural and organic ingredients went into this formula. This is full size, and this is $10. So there it is outside the box. All right, so we have one more product, and that is right here. And this is, well, that's interesting. It's a single eyeshadow. And you can see here, there's nothing else in this bag and nothing else here, but there was no lid on this at all. But this was, or is, the Real Her eyeshadow in Victorious. Rose Gold is a universally flattering shade that's always on trend. This super pretty shimmery color will quickly glam up your beauty looks day or night, and the ultra smooth powdery texture blends out easily. Plus, each product features positive affirmations for all who use them. How sweet is that? So, that's kind of busted. I have never had that happen before. I don't think with any company where I've had busted shadows arrive, but I've never had a shadow without a lid. Like, it's literally missing. That's so weird. Okay, so those were the two Ipsy Glam Bags I got this month. So that was our Ipsy versus Ipsy. Let me know what you thought down below. What was your favorite product? Were we bag twins on either bag? Let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.